Hi Rakesh. So you will be available till 4 o'clock only? Yeah, fine. What? Okay. Um, Let me give you some introduction once after finishing that. So I'll give it to you. I will hand over to you so you can do the practical. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. Is it visible? Okay. Is it my voice is audible or is it not? Or so far? It seems so far. Okay. Let me also keep my earphones. Hello? Yes, please tell me. I'm in class. Mm-hmm. Okay. Hey, Rakesh, 1 second. I'll be back in seconds. Rakesh, just allow me 1 second. Rakesh, Rakesh, I'm back. Hey Rakesh, I'm sorry. I'm back. Yeah. So, do you remember what we had in this previous class? Okay. So, in previous class, we have discussed about Maven builds. Okay. So, one project actually we have taken as a reference for Java related pom.xml files. Okay. So, that those projects we have built using Maven, correct? Yes. So, today, now we are going to discuss about one second, Rakesh. I'm getting little. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, yeah. All right. So you can see my screen, right? Okay, right. So yeah, that's good. Previous class we have learned about how to create jobs, new jobs, and we have seen with uh, Java project, and we build a project using Maven and plugins and all, right? So now we are going to discuss about build periodically. Okay. Yes, build period. We are going to discuss these topics periodically. Okay, and this is one point. The next one is a poll SM. Poll SEM. You have seen while you are creating jobs, you have seen these two steps. Okay, I'll also show you again. No problem. So this is important actually. Build periodical and poll SEM. Okay, build periodically means it's scheduling jobs. Okay, so initially we'll talk about build periodically. Okay, build periodically means periodical. What is the meaning of periodical? Means time. Yeah, periodical means time schedule. Okay, build, it will build. Okay, time according to the time, which means that only. Build means scheduling jobs at fixed intervals of time. Periodical means certain interval of time. That is called periodical time period. Build means you are building job certain intervals. That is the meaning of build periodical. Okay. For example, if you set the time as 30 minutes, Jenkins will automatically go to GitHub every 30 minutes, pull the job. Okay. I'll do one thing. Let me try to draw something. Build periodically. Yes. Okay. For example, this is your Jenkins. Okay. This is your Jenkins and this is your GitHub. Okay, right here. Okay, this is your Jenkins and this is your, you created one job here. Okay, so one second, let me, I need a little lighting. Okay, fine. So yeah, so this in GitHub you'll have a URL, right? GitHub URL. Okay, so whenever you create Jenkins, okay, then always Jenkins job always looks it. Okay, that take, it will trigger, the job will trigger and it will take the URL and it will give it and it will build. For example, if there is any change, okay, for suppose always for suppose we are talking about periodical means it will connect it. Okay, the job is connected to GitHub. GitHub URL always having some source code. Okay, some source code will be there. So this job always looks, for example, you have seen Cron Job, right? In Linux, you know that already. We explained about this. We discussed about this cron jobs. Okay, we have seen cron jobs in Linux. Okay, okay. So this 5 stars will be there. Okay, the first star is, it will talk about minutes, 15 until 59 minutes. Okay, The second one, it will talk about hours. This is minutes, this is hours, this is a day, this is month, and this is weeks. Last one is weeks. Okay, I remember about this. I explained about this too. Okay, so first these 5 stars, if you keep this according to this time, it will trigger. Clear? This is called as cron job. Okay, this cron job we can able to keep in our job while we are creating job, or after creating job you can able to configure it again. If you want, you can able to configure it. Clear? Okay, so that is called as cron job. All right, so whenever your job got created, always looks, for example, I have I mentioned here cron job, kind of you can say every 30 minutes I mentioned, for suppose every 30 minutes it will go and check. Okay, it will trigger and it will take, for example, if they're continuously injecting, one developer is there, he is writing continuously code. Okay, he is injecting the code, or he is continuously pushing the code. Okay, continuously is pushing the code, there are a lot of changes happening. So every 30 minutes it will go and check it. This job will always look for GitHub source code. Okay, it will check every time, it will always look after this. Okay, every 30 minutes it will check, and if there is any changes it will trigger and it will build itself. Clear? That is called as build periodically. Okay, this happen whether or not developers have pushed new changes. Okay, so if it is useful when you want to jobs to run the automatically after every fixed time interval, maybe after some you can say 5 minutes, if you want, it will go and check. Okay, it doesn't depend upon how many times he developer posted. Okay, it will completely depends upon the time itself, whichever you have given. Maybe if you mention 5 minutes, it will every 5 minutes it will go. For example, if you mention 1 minute, every 1 minute it will go and check whether new changes happened or not. Every 1 minute, every 2 minutes, every 5 minutes. Okay, that's completely depend upon whichever you mentioned. Star, 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 and star. This is every minute. Okay, every minute it will check. For suppose every 2 minutes, for suppose it will give like this by 2. Okay, okay, if you want to keep every week, you will keep like this. Okay, it will every week it will go and check like this. You understood? This is about build periodically. Next, we are going to talk about poll SCM. What is SCM? Exactly. What is poll? Poll means it always it's a kind of poll means you can pull maybe. Okay. Um, yeah, I heard somewhere something kind of. Okay, but just consider that. Okay, source code management look like that. So poll SCM, same. That is also same. It is a Jenkins. Your Jenkins. Okay, this is your job. Okay, you created one job here, and this is GitHub. Okay, this GitHub URL will be there. Okay, this whenever you create the job, okay, this will come here. Okay, next here what happens? Poll SCM, source code management, means there actually in the build periodically it's completely depend upon the time. Correct, every particular fixed time it will go and check. Here not like that. Here it will be depend upon the developer. If you set up this Polisium, okay, whenever new changes happen or modifications happen, okay, any changes happen only if it is fine, it will trigger. Okay, if the changes happen, then it will sense the job and it will build. Okay, for suppose I as a developer, I have done some change in the code, then what happens? I'll push it. I have done some pushes. I have done some push. Okay, then it new changes happened. So this change it will sense it. Okay, it is continuously connected, right? So then it will trigger it automatically. It will build the job. Okay, until unless you push new changes. Okay, it won't touch, it won't trigger. You understood? The poll SCM means Jenkins will check the GitHub at scheduled time. Okay, which means I cannot say that exactly. It is connected, it is linked, it is connected. Whenever it is there any changes in the code only itself, that that change will be trigger and that will be build itself. If there is no new changes, the code Jenkins will not trigger the build. That's it. If there are new changes, Jenkins will pull the code and it will trigger the new build. This is difference. That's it. The difference, trigger in the sense automatic. You are actually earlier the last class you build it your manually, right? You just build.
The job triggers that, and it tries to run the build if there is any changes.
Hmm.
If not, it will just check whether the changes are done or not. That's it, right?
Yeah.
uh, that is um, uh,
Periodically.
build periodically.
Hmm.
So what is poll SCM?
Yeah. Build periodically means there you mention the time.
Hmm.
Okay. Build periodically means there will be poll SCM already which is available in the Jenkins. You just need to just need to check mark it.
Okay.
There you mention your GitHub URL. That's it. So whenever you mention Policium, so then always the job looks the change, modification. Modification in the sense you are as a DevOps engineer, you created this job poly by using Policium. I as a developer, I have changed something and it's just mentioned in the my GitHub. I pushed it. So
Uh,
whenever I push it, automatically new change got right. Okay, whenever any changes happen, whenever any new changes or new code, new line of code, it will push into new this GitHub repository. So then that will sense the job. Then only the job will trigger, and after that only build will happen. Clear?
okay.
Again, you can ask me if you have really doubt. Don't keep your doubt in your mind. Again, ask, no problem at all. You just tell me what you understood.
Okay.
Again, before you saying that, I just will again let you know, build periodically means always triggers the job after the set of time. Okay, whether whether changes exist or not, it doesn't care. Okay, it still go and check at particular time intervals. For example, I mentioned 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes it will go and check. Every 5 minutes it will go and check the whether any changes is there or not. That's it. That job continues. It will, for example, alarm is there. Okay, you kept alarm at 6 o'clock in the am every day in the am. In the morning am you just set alarm every day, whether you do it or not, if you stop it or not, doesn't matter. Every day in the morning 6 o'clock you will get alarm or not.
Yeah.
That's how the the build periodically will happen. Okay,
Hmm.
policy amends triggers the job only if there is any new changes in the repository.
Okay.
That's it. You just tell me now.
Yeah, I got it. Like, so build periodically is like to set up a job in a periodical way by giving a time, particular time. So it will automatically checks the Git URL, and if there is any changes, then it will start the build automatically.
Hmm.
If there is no changes, then it will be just checks by running it. Coming to poll SEM, it just checks whether the time interval has given to that job or not. That's right.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, shall we do, or we can complete the theory and we can go for practical? What do you say?
Yeah, we can complete the theoretical and we can go for
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So next thing is I'll let you know. So try to understand. Next is we are going to discuss about uh, linking the projects. So means, one second. I'm sorry. Okay, linking projects means these options are available in Jenkins. We are not creating extra anything. Whatever options, that options we are just discussing. That's it. Okay. So linking projects by using upstream and downstream. There are two different type of jobs are there. Okay. One is upstream. This is very, 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 very important in Jenkins. Okay. Upstream and downstream. Okay. This is interview question. You will get interview question. Okay. In Jenkins, jobs can be linked together. Okay. Example, this kind of setup upstream and downstream we will use in pipelines. Okay. So for suppose, let us take this you understood, right? I'm just removing it. Okay. So let us consider one is upstream. Okay. First one is upstream. The second one is downstream. Okay. So I'm talking about upstream first. Okay. So upstream. What is upstream? Upstream in the sense I'll try to take example. So there is one Jenkins. There is Jenkins here. In this Jenkins there is one job. Okay. That job is so you can consider Lokesh is one job. Okay. This job you created. Clear. So and you create another one more job. For suppose we have Maven job, right? Or Maven or something Java project, right? Okay, you have Java project, right? By using Maven we are actually done, right? So we what we will do is we will connect this, which means we will link it. Simply we will link it. Okay, we will link it. The name, whatever the job name is there, that Java project we will mention here. Okay, so just leave about this. Okay, so we will keep here Java project. Okay, so now I will tell you. So how this linking happen? First, what happens initially, this first job, whatever job is there in Jenkins, that is first our job. Okay, you can consider this job name is LokeshJob. You can consider this as a job. Okay, this is LokeshJob. First it will trigger whenever you build first job, LokeshJob will trigger. Once after finishing this job, whenever you get success, next immediately automatically Java project will trigger. This Java project you can keep here. But there will be option actually. Okay, while you are creating upstream, so there will be option to keep other project name here. Clear? So whenever you keep here, once after finishing it, immediately this will trigger. Okay, then this job once after finishing, then after automatically this will go. Okay, then after that it will complete. So at a time one after the other. So you don't need to involve. So whenever you build it, whenever you start building, first it will complete your first job, then after automatically the second job also will be completed once after finishing it. Clear? Try to explain me. Hmm.
And we have another job. So in order to link both the jobs, we need to mention the name of the another job in the Jenkins job.
Yeah, you can consider Jenkins job or Lokesh job, whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then the job will be linked.
Yeah. So
The,
yeah,
yeah.
exactly. Where we will post here, this is called as post build actions.
Okay.
Post build actions. Okay. This name you will find there. Okay. In
Hmm.
post build actions, there will be build other projects. Okay. There will be one build other projects. There you will mention your project, whatever your other project, that project you need to mention here. Okay. So always always this Maven will, whatever it will do is it will always look for complete the location job. Clear?
Okay.
It will
Yeah.
always look for complete the job. Once after finishing it, then it will also automatically it will start the next job. So
Mm.
you don't need to do it manually. Once after setting up one after the other, automatically it will complete both at a time. You can link like this many jobs.
Mm. Got it.
Clear? All
Yeah.
right. So this concept we will use in project.
Okay.
Clear? So for
Yeah.
example, I'll tell you. Uh, for example, um, I think one developer is there.
Mm.
Okay, that developer, what he will do, he will push, he will put the code in GitHub.
Mm.
Okay, so that GitHub, after that you will create one Policium. Okay, in this Policium you will keep, yeah, this upstream. Okay, upstream you will keep. After that it will build. Okay, once after build, it will go for testing. Once after testing, it will go for
Dep-
quality checks. Once after
Mm.
that, again it will go for deployment.
Mm.
This is how it goes, right? So one job after the other, if you want to trigger, I want you to build the first, after the second, the third, a fourth, right? If you want to go sequential manner in disciplined manner, there is a concept called upstream. We can do it by using upstream. Once after
Okay.
finishing it, it will trigger next. Once after finishing it, will trigger next. Once after finishing it, it will trigger this. Once after finishing this, it will trigger this and it will close the job. Clear?
Mm.
So this is how we can create the pipelines. Okay? Can I close this? You understood?
Yeah. 1 second. So for suppose, uh, using upstream, we can move from one step to another step.
Hmm.
So here for build, we will create a job, right? Then
Yeah.
only this upstream will work. So in pole SCM, there will for suppose in GitHub from
No.
GitHub.
That's why I'm saying that here I mentioned actually for Policium. I mentioned here Policium automatically. In this first job itself, I'll mention Policium.
Okay.
In the first job itself, you can keep Policium or schedule, your wish.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you keep it automatically first job, it will always look Policium, always look for the changes,
Yeah, changes. Then
or else periodically it will say every minute it will go and check.
okay,
Okay.
that's fine. Using Polisim, the build will start,
Hmm.
and after the build start, we have to check with test job, right? Next step
Yeah, build up. Yeah, after that test.
after
Yeah.
the test. So
Yeah.
that job will it take automatically, or we have to update the upstream?
Yeah, I'll tell you first thing. This is first job one. This is okay.
Yeah.
This is job two. This is job three. This is job four. This is job five. All are different jobs.
Okay.
Okay, you will create different jobs. After that, you will link it by using upstream.
Okay.
You clear? In this job, you will keep this job, build job. In this job, you will keep test job. In this job, you will keep quality job. In this job, you will keep deploy job. You understood?
Yeah.
So once you connect all this linking, okay, then what happened whenever a developer changes done, this Policium or build periodically, you will always look for the changes. If any new changes happen, automatically it will trigger the first job. Once after the finishing the first job, automatically it will go for next. Once after the run, next it will go right until it finishes. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, this is how. This is upstream. Okay, next we'll talk about downstream. Okay, downstream. What is downstream? That is upstream. Okay, next we'll talk about downstream. Uh, this is you as a developer. Don't worry, it's not look good. Okay, next this is Rakesh job.
Mm.
You're happy, I know. I kept your name here. Okay, so next job is, what is that our job name? Earlier we have done Java,
Java project.
Java project. Using Maven, we have done a Java project as a title name, job name, right?
Mm.
So here, what we will do is, earlier we mentioned here this job here, correct?
Yeah.
So now what we will do is, we will mention
Rakesh job.
Rakesh job here.
Okay.
Okay. Rakesh job here. This will connect this. Okay, this is downstream. So what it will do is first Rakesh job will trigger.
Hmm.
Okay, once after finishing the Rakesh job, so then what we will do, so this always looks once after finishing it Rakesh job. So this we actually mentioned job Rakesh job here. So Java project what it will do is Java project always look on top of this Rakesh job. It will always looks. Okay, it will always wait for until it's done. So you know already this link is already here in the same job itself, Java project. Okay, this is already connected both. So always this Java projects look to complete the Rakesh job. Okay, once it is completed, then it will start the Java project job. Okay, it is almost equal, right? It's almost equal, both are same kind of. Okay, downstream and upstream, just difference is for example, you are constructing house. Okay, so what is the difference of cement brick and soil brick? Ultimately you will build the house only, right?
Hmm.
So this is how here Maven always look for the Rakesh job.
Hmm.
Okay, once after Rakesh finishing the job, then it will trigger the Java project.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So this is called as downstream. There actually we mentioned Java project here.
Yeah.
Here we are actually mentioning here Rakesh job here. That is a difference, nothing else.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this Rakesh Java project we actually main point here. This is main point. In Java project we are mentioning Rakesh job. Some job is there Rakesh. We are mentioning here. But there in the Lokesh job itself we are keeping Java project. Clear? That is the difference. Nothing else.
Hmm.
Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Next we are going to discuss about views. Okay, we'll talk about this views also. Views in the sense there is a dashboard, right? There is a dashboard like this in Jenkins. You know this Jenkins logo. Okay, there are a lot of builds are there. I mean, a lot of jobs are there.
Hmm.
Okay, like job one, job two, Lokesh job, Rakesh job, Java project, Maven job, etc., etc., etc. Like that, you have plenty of jobs here. For suppose you have a 200 jobs here. Okay, so how to segregate all these jobs at a time? So if you want to go, do you want to scroll it 200 jobs,
No.
right? If you have all plenty of jobs, how will you segregate? By using view.
Okay.
New view, what we will do is we can able to segregate like Maven jobs here. We can keep here Java jobs here. We can keep here AWS jobs here. We can keep here DevOps jobs here. We can keep here Rakesh jobs. Okay, we can keep separately and we can segregate the jobs here. Whenever you click on this view, that related jobs only it will display. That is actually view. Okay, that we will see lastly. Okay, organizing, the simply nothing else, just organizing jobs for better management, that's it. Okay, if you have many jobs, you can organize them and into different views, like folders. You can say separate views for Maven, separate for AWS job, freestyle job separately, pipeline job separately, like that. Okay, that will be easy for you to maintain.
Okay.
This helps you to um, more than 500 plus jobs. If you have 200
Yeah,
plus jobs, if you have you can able to search everything easily. That's it.
we can organize.
Yeah, simply organize. We can organize jobs for better management. That's it.
Okay.
So this is all about man, and let's go for do it. Let's do it. Okay.
Hmm.
So initially we'll go for build periodically. Okay, you can share your screen. I can stop sharing my screen. Okay. Yeah, one second. I'm in other tab. Yeah, I can see. Right. Oh yeah. So what we will do is first we'll talk about build periodically. Um, so what we will do is let's configure one job. Okay. Java. Where is our main job? No, no. Don't create new job. Let's configure it. Yeah. Go for configuration. Configure it. Configure it. Yeah. Now come scroll one by one. You can see our terminology here. What is our terminology we are looking for? Build periodically. Okay, come down, scroll down bit by bit. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, I can. You are going fast. Just little. Scroll down. Yeah. Wait. Here you can see. Click on build periodically. Yeah, here. Scroll down bit. Yeah, you can keep here. Star. 5 stars. Not like that. You need to maintain space. I already told you. I already explained you in Linux. Okay. So yeah, that's it. You can apply and save. Oh, wait. So you see this? Do you really mean every minute when you say, perhaps you the hours, so every minute it will run. Okay? This means every minute it will run the job. Apply it and save. Save it. Now go for the builds. Go for first build. Just see that. Yes. Yeah, when it has done, is wait, man. It's 1 minute not done yet. Is this today's job? No, it is not today's job. You can see the date, 22 August. Okay, close this. Just go for main dashboard. Yeah, it is building number 8. Number 8. Go for console. Yeah, it is building itself. Did you do this? No. Just wait for one more 2 minutes. After finishing it, let us wait for one more other two builds. Yeah. Yes. Exactly. Don't touch it first. Just check here. Try to observe. We'll go for another. Just try to observe. Go back and keep dashboards open. That's it. Once after observing 2 times, that's it. Afterward, if you want to go anywhere, you can go it. Just wait. Keep see that again. One more started. Wait. Don't touch anywhere. Just try to observe. That's it. Here you wait. Every minute it will go like this continuously. If you keep like this, maybe tomorrow it will be more than 1,000, I guess. Or else more than that. What 1,000? What? How can they say 1,000? Lot of minutes. How many minutes? Every minutes, yeah. So it will wait one more minute and it will start the build again. So this you need to keep when continuously injections, continuous changes happening by your developers, then you can keep this. Okay. But for suppose in your project there are very less changes happening a long ago, there already project got finished, you'll expect that very less changes will happen. So then you can keep Polysym. You see this? Are you doing anything manually? Still it is running. You're not doing it manually, right? So you are not building it. Automatically it is happening. See, 10th build also is happening, right? Yeah, now you can do whatever you want. What you are trying to do. No need changes, sir, Rakesh, because it is continuously happen. Okay, your changes need to be checked in the Polysym, not here. Okay, once after finishing it, then we will see that. Okay, now stop it. Go and configure it. Configure the change. Okay, stop build periodically. Stop this. Just remove it. Go to wait. Don't save, man. Wait. Pole SCM is there, right? Just click on it. Yeah, here is you just try to understand this. What I have explained you for Pole SCM. Build periodically means that is for related to time. Okay. Pole SCM means this is related to always it will look for the GitHub. Okay, GitHub changes. Okay. Okay, so here no schedules, so will only run the due to SCM changes if triggered by post to commit hook. So yeah, so apply and save this. Let's try apply and save. Okay, so now do the change. So do the change in the sense to create one folder extra here, add file or folder. You can keep hello, good morning, something like that, or you do some title changes, something kind of. Yeah, you can add file here also. There is add file. Yeah, create a new file. Yeah, you can write here. Hello, good morning. This is Rakesh. We are actually doing policy related concepts, something kind of. Yeah, right. You are done change, right? Okay. Wait. Let us wait. Eh, Rakesh, actually, can you configure again? You have done changes, right? Go to Polysame again. Yeah, keep here again. Star, 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 star space, star space, star space, star 5 stars. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, now use apply and save, apply and save. Okay. So wait. So can you go to repository again one more time? Repository. Where is our new file here? That is okay. Open it. Two changes here. Something you add. Welcome to LK Cloudtech. Just keep or LK Cloud Tech. Just add one more line. That's it. That's it. Save. That's it. That's it. Enough. Save. Commit it. Go to jobs. Yeah, it is working. So whenever you're doing changes, okay, you can do it by using by keeping two different screens also. Just to split the screens and try to do it. You can. It is easy to visible. Do it like that. Split the screens and do it. It will immediately trigger. Okay, now try to do the changes again. Do modification. Normal file only. You are there only. Okay, now try to, you keep on try to add something and commit it. Automatically it will reflect here. The replication happens continuously. Welcome to DevOps, something kind of AWS DevOps. Welcome to Jenkins or welcome to Pole SCM. That's it. Commit again and commit it. So whenever it finishes the commit or push, so you could see here. Yeah, yeah, every 1 minute. So this changes also. So but changes happens if there is any changes, only Pole SCM will work. Okay, but build periodically will happens continuously whenever whichever you time mentioned. Okay, I think you need to refresh, I guess. Maybe. No, right. Yeah, something 13 got right. Yeah, it is getting. So this code happens because you as a DevOps engineer, you could not be available for every commit, every change, right? So if you make it ready, your time will save. Okay, that will also replicate in the deployment, in development time, development area, development environment. Okay, okay, so that's it. Next, is that enough, or you want to do it more? Yeah, let's go for upstream and downstream. You need to remove that. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. You just need to create one extra new job. I think remaining jobs not well, right? I think what which jobs are correct? Okay, just go back. Just go to dashboard. So now here, which jobs are good? Sample job is executed, right? Sample job is good one. So can you try to run and check the job should be correctly triggered. Otherwise, if it is fails, it won't go. Can you run this? Click on. You need to click on that name, the number. Now you will get console. Yeah, something good. Okay, you do it. Do you can take this sample job. So first, what is down? What is upstream? Tell me. Can you please repeat again? Both are same, right? We'll mention the this job in that, this that job in that. Okay, what is downstream and what is upstream? Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Just open sample job. Okay, here just go to configure. Now you can see somewhere post build actions. This is the one. Come down. Post build actions. I think. What are these options? Project to build. Scroll down. No projects related information. Earlier I used to see this kind of name. They are changing now. Can I say? Build other projects. Build other projects. Where is that? Keep that. Yeah, yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Now click on that. Build to project to build. Yeah. Now you can see that name. Click on that. You need to keep here your project name. Java. Yeah. You can see here automatically trigger. Which one? Right one you need to choose. Go and cross check. Yeah. Maybe that comma. Why you keep comma is also there along with that? No, right? So it won't take. If you do mistake, it won't take. Then no problem. I didn't observe that earlier. Okay, save it. Oh, one second, one second. What is this first one? Trigger only build it is stable. Yeah, that's fine. Trigger it is only build stable means if the build is stable only it will trigger. Otherwise it will fail. What is the next one? Trigger even if the build is unstable, which means if it is fail also it will trigger. The next one is trigger even the build is fails. Unstable means if it is not correct. Okay, at that time if this fails also it will go. So this option it's complete up to us. Okay, now save and now save. Now try to run this. Where is that? Yeah, try to run this. Yeah, yeah, done. Now go to dashboard. Now it's see triggering a new build. Yeah, triggering. Yeah, it is running, right? Yeah, what is it called? Downstream. It is downstream. It is downstream. It is downstream. First job is main job in this downstream. Okay, this first job will trigger into next job. That is called as actually one after the other, which means it is a sequence order. If it is reverse order, that is upstream. I'll tell you. Okay, I'll try to let you know how to keep in your mind. Okay, let me share my screen. Wait 1 second. Are you able to see my screen now? So for suppose now we will you need to understand, Rakesh, why I am taken why I have taken again. So means you need to understand clearly. Okay, this is downstream. Okay, this is upstream. Okay, so first who is the developer? Okay, what developer will do is he will write the code and it will push into GitHub. Okay, this actually things happen continuously, but we are actually only looking into only job part. This also will be there. Okay, so next to it, this is actually another job. Okay, which is sample name, right? Okay, in this sample what we will do is let me one more time, I'll take little bigger. Okay, this is one job. Okay, this name is actually sample job. Okay, in sample job what we are keeping, we have another job, right? That is actually Java project, correct? This job Java project is connected. Okay, we are mentioning this Java project in this, correct? So you have seen this, you have mentioned this Java project in the sample job, which means main job is sample job. Inside main job you mentioned Java project. Is it clear? So this flow is like this, downstream. Okay, now we will talk about upstream. So developer is there. Okay, don't focus on here. Okay, the GitHub is there. We will see this flow in pipeline. Okay, so here one job is there. That job is, you can consider job one something. Okay, here another job is there. That job is Java project. Okay, you can see this, right? Java project. So this is main job. Okay, so in this Java project what we are doing is, we are actually mentioning here once again, we are actually mentioning job one. Clear? Always these Java projects look job one, which is up. Okay, always this Java, this sample project will look, so Java project down. This is downstream and this is upstream. You understood, right? So this is how. Okay, you just forget about the pipeline. We are going to discuss separately about pipeline. Okay, so this is, we are talking about only these two steps, the job one and job two, how we are connecting each other, how we are linking each other as two projects. Okay, one job inside other job, how we need to maintain using the downstream. Okay, here one job inside other, we need to mention the jobs here, we are connecting here, and we need to trigger and we need to check the whether job is running or not. That's it. That is called as downstream. This is the upstream. That's it. Clear? Okay, let me close this and you can share your screen. One more is pending, right? Okay, share your screen. So now what you have to do next, you need to do upstream. Okay, upstream. Go to Java projects. Oh, no, no, let you can keep it. Oh, why? Oh, you need to make it normal. Okay, remove it. Yeah, just remove it then. Yeah, remove this. Just removing this cross mark is there, right, Rakesh? Yeah, now apply and save. Okay. So here, what you need to do, just reverse process. In Java, you need to configure. Okay. So here you need to mention, what is that? You can keep it, no problem. That will not affect your work. Okay. So next is post build app actions. Project, or what name? Yeah, post build actions. Post build actions you will find. You got it, huh? This is the only one. Okay. So which one in build other projects only, right? Wait. Stop. Wait. Here, you can see new different option. Okay, not like that. You can see other option. Just remove it. Let me help you to do it. Rakesh, don't make more mess up. Just remove this. Cross market. Okay, not similar, not exactly similar. That is a different. There is a small difference. Okay, so in build triggers, so there will be option build after other project as a build in there only. In there only. Just click on that. You can see here. Try to read. Uh, no, not that, not that. Just click on post build actions. Build other projects. Try to go inside. Check in that. Not this, not this, not this, man, not this. In post build actions itself, you could see what are the options are there. Check all the options. Uh, hmm, hmm, not here. Okay, okay. One second. I think this option is not here. Go to build periodically. You have seen that, right? Go there. Build periodically somewhere. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, this is the one. So here you find build other after other projects. Yes, click on that. Click here. Yeah, yeah, correct, exactly. So here what you need to mention, you need to mention the sample. Yeah, yeah, you got it. Yes, 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 that's it. That's it, that's it. Simply save it. Save it. That's it. So what you need to do now, tell me. Yeah, sample, just click the sample, trigger the sample. Build now. Yeah, you got 4. Yeah, build console. Yeah, you see try to read that. Triggering to new build Java project 2. Yeah, go to now dashboard. Yeah, yeah, different way. That's it. See this? It is happening. Yeah, it is running. Successfully running. That's awesome job. You did. Just need to do practice without to avoid the confusion. Is just need to do more practice. That's it. Nothing else. One more. All. No, there is a plus button is there, right? Click on that plus button. Just create here Maven job separately. Java projects. Keep Java projects. Java projects. You can keep here Java projects. Just that's it. List view, my view. You can keep my view, list view. It's your option. Okay, create it. Okay. So next plus you can keep simple jobs, just jobs. That's it. My view and create it. Next one other one is sample. Simple. 1 minute. Sample you can keep here sample. You can keep my view. That is just for organizing the jobs. That's it. Nothing we are doing. So now click on the jobs, normal jobs. Okay. Now click on the Maven. You could see everything. So where is clear view? Just edit view left side. Yeah. Hmm. Here in Java projects, come down, scroll down, filter a queue. Wait, 1 second, 1 second. Just we can touch it. Automatically we can set it. Okay. When you just go back one step. Okay. Edit view, new item. 1 second. 1 second. Just you click the jobs for the Maven project, Java projects, right? Click on jobs first. Click on jobs. Yeah, that one. It is easy, man. I think I forgot maybe. That's just very dead easy one actually. Just simple, just simple for organizing only, nothing else. Okay. So, but we just need to filter with the names actually. Maybe I think we can edit a view, right? Just edit a view first. Go for left side gear icon. Here, scroll down. Filter build queue, I think so. Yeah. We'll see that later. That's not a big deal. It's a small thing actually. We can make it not a big deal. I think we need to go in management, I guess. This we won't use much actually. This is just only for organizing the jobs. That's it. We don't use much actually. We just need to customize only for that is the purpose. So lastly, we'll try once. Last, just we will try it once. Um, what we will do is just simply. Okay, can you try again? Just click on plus once. Maybe try to go for list view. List view. Create. Ah, right. Got it. Yeah, got it. Got it, man. Now you can choose jobs. You can choose jobs. Only if you want to keep only Java, you can filter it. Just that's it, right? That's how. That's nothing. This is very dead easy. Nothing else. So you can simply organize this way also. Okay. I don't do it much actually. That's why I don't. Yeah. Okay. So that's it, Rakesh. If let me know if this tomorrow is a festival. Let me know if possible. We'll take. What do you say? What is shift for tomorrow? Oh, so what time you'll be available then? Oh, 2 to 4? 4 to 6 you will be available, which means 2 to 6. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, 3 to 6 you said. All right. So almost done, man. Lot of just little more concept left from Jenkins and also pipeline spending. So we'll cover more options. Jenkins is dead easy, man. Okay. So next we need to create a pipelines, all those stuff. We'll do it. So a little some more little stuff is pending. So we will discuss more about this also. All right.
Intro questions.
I will share. I will share. No problem. So you want to just need to only Docker you want?
I mean, only Linux and Docker is fine.
Linux and Docker. Okay, I will
Mm.
share. I will share.
I am also preparing some. Like I just want to take more possibilities of questions. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. I will share Linux and Docker. If I have, definitely I will share. And Linux also, I just prepared one file today and maybe yesterday. I'm also giving training to USA student, US citizen, one of guy. So for him, I actually prepared all the comments at one place. So I'll also share that, and along with that, I'll check other Linux related interview questions, and I will also check Docker related also, Docker related interview questions and all. Okay,
Okay, thanks.
fine, Rakesh. Thanks for joining, man. Next class, I will see.
Okay,
Okay, until then, take care. Bye bye.
bye bye.